I got a Scion XA here. All right, this is a 2007 model, but it doesn't matter if you have a Scion, Toyota, Honda, Acura. They're similar procedure, right? So if, let's say for instance, your car gets stuck and your battery dies, or if something fails and your shifter knob doesn't go into neutral, okay? Let's say you want to push it out of the driveway. All right, so how you want to get this? It won't go into, you see, you can do whatever you want. It will not go, even if you press a brake pedal. Like right now, this is a working one. So let's say you put the key on accessory. You see how you're able to do that? And sometimes your car will start, but the mechanism, fuse, or the solenoid in here will, you hear that noise? That's a solenoid pretty much engaging. It's letting this click go away so the shifter can shift, okay? Only way it clicks is when you have the car on accessory. You hear that? You press the brake pedal. That's when it's releasing, so you could put, that's just a little safety mechanism. Let's say for instance your battery died or your alternator died and your car shut down. Even you put an accessory, nothing happens because you have loss of power. All right, so we're gonna have the key off, and no matter what I do, this shifter will not go into shift, okay? So some Toyotas and Hondas, you will have like a little clip here, such as this one right here. So if you see a little housing here with a little slot, all you need is a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna put this car into neutral. So pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this using this screwdriver. You just flip it open and this comes right out, just like that. Inside you have this little button. So pretty much if I push, so look at this, it will not go into, because my key is off. Pretty much I'm stating it that it does not, the battery is dead. So some cars you will need to push, you need to push something in here, but this one has a little button, so it's pretty easy on this one. So you see, if I'm able to, all right, I'm sorry, my lighting is not the best. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply push down on this, and make sure you have your e-brake up, or you could use your foot pedal, because this car, if you're in the hill, it will roll. It will start to roll as soon as you go to reverse or neutral. So you see that? Very easy. You can go to any gear after that, but once you go back to park, again, you're stuck there. You see that? I got my brake pushed down. So all you do is you push down on this little button here, and then you're able to go into neutral. All right, so I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Only if I have my lighting right there, that would have been perfect. Let me try to show you one more time with the lighting right there. So push down on this. You can do it with your finger or this flathead screwdriver. There you have it. All right, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. When you're done, you can put this clip back in. All this does is, all you need to do is take this clip and you push down on it, and that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.